Okay, here we are with the deck of Tasman, starting with the bow and the forejib, anchor winch, forward locker, inner jib, coming to the foredeck, a lot of space on the foredeck, looking at the mast and boom, and all the way up to the top. Coming back towards the deck saloon, life raft on top, down along the side, plenty of space here, to the winches and aft steering positions, 2 steering positions, cockpit area, plenty of space, dinghy tidied up, little sitting positions to windward when beating. Swimming platform out the back, boarding ramp, and framework for various devices. Okay.